everyone, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you the new Hourglass Unreal lip glosses. I was sent this box of them, which is rather exciting. I do have swatches of all the shades on the blog, so I'm going to direct you to those photos via a link in the description box. So in this video I'm going to show you how they look on my lips, talk about how they feel and general information about them. So if you're interested, do keep watching. So I had to go away and get my glasses because I'm becoming so dependent on them. My eyes, I don't have a massive prescription, and I usually can get on without them, but the more I wear them, the more I need them. So annoying. I want to be able to tell you about the glosses. Now this doesn't have a whole load of information on it from the PR. So it's a high shine volumizing lip gloss. I can actually read this without the glasses. Infused with powerful active ingredients, including Volulip, which is a plumper from what I can tell, and hyaluronic acid for intense hydration and long-lasting volume. Available in 18 shades in 3 finishes. So let me just show you them. So I've got this amazing array. Really like the packaging, it's long and slim. I'll show you the applicator, which is kind of cool. It's like a flat, rounded applicator. Not sure if you can see this. Actually filming on a different camera to normal and slightly lost because I'm not very good at new things. So that's that. I like the packaging. It's kind of like old school, I think, but it's got this wider at the top and then thinner at the bottom. Right, so the shades I have. So this is where my glasses are going to really come in, because to show you the shades, because I cannot read this. Right, this one is called, please, are you called Halo? This is the white one, I think it's called Halo. So let's get this on. I'll just get my lips a little white so that you don't have anything there. This is actually the La Mer volumizing lip gloss, which I really like. Okay, clean lips. Going in with Halo, or the shade that I think is Halo, because I can't actually see. Okay. Oh yeah. I've been playing with these a bit and I do really like them. They feel fresh. So this is a clear, kind of shimmery, sparkly one. Very flattering. So that's Halo. The next shade I'm going to show you is, actually need a bloody magnifying glass. Right, the next one is Child, which is a really nice nude, which I already love the look of. So here we go. They're so cool as they go on, feel lovely. There is Child. Lovely. That's one of my faves. Right, so the next one I'm going to show you is a deeper nude, and it's called Provoke. I really like this. Get it on. So that's Provoke, another nude. I like it, but I prefer Child. Just, you know, a bit of insight into which ones I'm loving. Next shade. Ooh. This one I know I really like. It's kind of, again, like a peachy pinky nude, and it's called Sublime. Very blue eyes. Right. So there's Sublime. That's a really lovely nude. I'm still favouring Child, I think. I really like the applicator. The one thing though, I do think, because I'm sitting back from the mirror, it's hard to be precise. It's not one of those super intuitive ones, but it's lovely because it smooths everything over. You get a good amount of product on with the side of the wand. Is it me, or are these quite hard to read? I feel like they're printed onto wobbly paper as well. I think that says Truth, but do you see what I mean?
Yeah, it says Truth. Yeah,
but do you know what I mean? Or not?
No.
Right, next one is Truth, which again is a lovely nudie shade, another opaque finish. That's a warmer nude, which again is really flattering. I think that'll be nice on deeper skin tones as well, so love that. Right, here's another nude canvas. There's quite a few similar shades, which you'll see when you check out the blog post with all the photographs with the shades side by side. I love this one. Kind of a bolder nude, really lovely. That's canvas. Right, this one is dusk, getting deeper. So that one will work really beautifully on a deeper skin tone, I think. It's still a lovely nude, more of a bold nude for me, but on a deeper skin tone it would be like an everyday kind of real nude. Okay, oh, what are you? Blimey. Right, on to shade Strike. Get this one on. I have to say that my lips are feeling very moisturised and cared for. So this one is Strike. They cling really nicely to the lips. It's not the easiest to wipe off of these swatches, but when I tested these the other day, it has good staying power, FYI. This is a different finish, this one. It has shimmer in it, and it's a sheerer one, which you'll be able to check out in the swatches also. This one is called, are you called Ignite? This one is called Ignite. So Ignite is more of a traditional lip gloss with shimmer rather than an opaque kind of glossy liquid lipstick formula. They feel so comfortable on the lips. I really like this, really easy one to have in your handbag. Just you can probably apply it without looking. I've read that one quite easily. This one is Solar, and it's another shimmery one, but this one has a bit more colour to it, a bit more shine as well, this duochrome. Ugh. The attack of the lip gloss. Don't usually just whack it straight onto the wand though. So I really like that. It's got a very high shine metallic finish. So maybe more of a kind of going out shade rather than an everyday, but really pretty. I like that a lot. And I've forgotten the name already because that's also happening to me. Solar. Back to the kind of full coverage ones. This one is a lovely corally shade, which is very pretty, and I like the look of this, and it's called Horizon. Didn't really struggle to read that one either, so that was making me feel good about myself too. There we go. Oh wow, yeah, more opaque liquid lipstick type. Lovely. So this is a really nice shade for summer. I think it would work on a range of skin tones as well. Love that. Doesn't quite go with my eyeshadow. I've got one of those like lid glosses on from not Kevin Aucoin, Troy Surratt. I love it. It doesn't crease. It's amazing. I'll link it below. This is another one of the ones I really like. This is called Prose. I think it's called Prose. I might be getting to the point where I'm just guessing at what they're called. If it's not Prose, I shall make it clear somehow to you. Right. I love Prose. Got a stray hair that's coated in lip gloss. Yeah, me and Prose are going to be friends, I think. I like that a lot. Right, this one is called Enchant, and it's kind of a more creamy, milky pink, which I think will be quite bright on the lips, quite light and bright. Yes, and it is. It's very kind of nude in a kind of 90s way. But not the 90s of the supermodel, more of the other type. Yep, that is that one. So it's quite a kind of frosty, not frosty, it's quite a light, bright nude, but kind of almost Barbie doll, Barbie. Yeah, that's what I'm going for, the Barbie look. And it does make your lips look quite big. Right, what have we got here? Who are you? This is Fortune. Liking Fortune. Kind of a peachy pink. Let's see it on. Yeah, Fortune is really nice, very wearable. By the way, and I've got my hair straight, I prefer to have it wavy, but I didn't really have time to do anything with it. This week I'm testing out the new Oracle from GHD, which is like a new tool that's supposed to be amazing for easy waves and curls. So I'm going to try and do a video for that, so stay tuned. So the next one is another glittery, shimmery number, and it's called, don't know what you're called. I'm so blind that I'm having to check the website to see if it marries up to what's on Okay, Cosmic. Thank you. Okay, so really nice, shimmer, shimmer, shine. They just really make lips look lovely, I have to say. Well, they're supposed to be volumizing, and it works. Yeah, also a fan of that. I have not liked one yet, which is unusual. Oh, this is a really exciting, like raspberry shade, which looks fabulous. And it is called Fever. Fever. Right, let's get this on. Gorgeous pinky yumminess. Oh wow. Yeah, I've done quite a sheer coat of that because it packs quite a punch, but I imagine you can build that up to something really solid. Yeah, lovely. It makes me want to eat sorbet, but creamy sorbet, so ice cream that's that colour basically. Going deeper, but this is more of a shimmer finish. Ooh, I'm about to put my glasses on upside down. And you are called Impact. Okay. Let's get Impact on. I feel like this might not be one for me. Don't mind it actually. Yeah, it's nice. I feel like that's one of the ones that's not as easy to wear because it's quite pigmented, and you could just get a bit of hair, catch it and drag it across, and you know. And then this is the last one of the 18 shades. It's a red. And I have to say, normally if you've done that many swatches and wiping off, your lips would be feeling pretty rough, but they're not. They feel really moisturised and cared for, which is something to note, I think. And this last shade, my Icon. So it's a red, and yes, oh wow, that's kind of gorgeous and not scary, because I feel like it's so beautiful that it'd be worth it. Yeah, I'm a fan of that one. The one whose name I have forgotten instantly. Icon. Yes, now I know. Right. So yes, love those. Really big fan of this formula. They're beautiful. They don't smell funny. They're very faint smell. They don't have a stingy or an uncomfortable sensation. It's very mildly fresh, but that's it. So that's good. No funky taste. They're just really lovely. Really, really wearable. I love the nudes. Child, I think, was my favourite. If you want to see, as I've mentioned already, all of the swatches, I've got them in like sets next to each other on the blog. Check it out. I'll link the blog post in the description box below. If you've got any questions at all, let me know. My lips are just feeling absolutely drenched with hydration. So that'll be the hyaluronic acid in the formula. And yeah, I mean, this is one of those colours I feel like it could be on my teeth, which is why I keep licking them, but I don't think it is, which is a relief. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Leave me any questions in the comments below. I'm on Twitter and Instagram if you want to chat to me over there. It's @ReallyRee. Don't forget to subscribe if you fancy finding out what I'm going to talk about next, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye now.